we're back. That was a very abrupt ending. That was just a yep, and then hang up. Hang up, end. This cape is a famous date spot. Misty, the gym leader, has high hopes about this, but... Hello, are you here alone? According to Cape, well, it should be as a couple. Oh, well, excuse me. Hello, Bill. Hiya, I'm a Pokemon. No, I'm not. Call me Bill. I'm the true blue Pokemaniac. Hey, what's up with that skeptical look? I'm not joshing you, pal. I screwed up an experiment and got combined with a Pokemon. So how about it? Help me out of here? Wait till I get inside the teleporter. When I do, hit my PC and... So if you got combined with a Pokemon, where's the Chansey? Initiated the teleporter cells. Well, I didn't read that last one. Separator, maybe? I don't know. Yeah, where the fuck's the Chansey? Not the Chansey, the Clefairy, sorry. Yeah, thanks, bud. I owe you one. So did you come to see my Pokemon collection? You didn't? That's a bummer. Well, this'll do. Received the SS ticket from Bill. Whoa, there's a lot of cups coming by. So, Chance, no, Clefairy. Oh well, that's dead. This episode, I think I'll be this part I'll be taking on Misty. Fuck me, that was so long. Why? Why does it have to be so long, huh? Alright. Yo, champ in the making, let me give you some advice. The gym leader Misty's a pro who uses water type Pokemon. You can drain all their water with grass type Pokemon, or you might use the electric type Pokemon and zap them. Because you can only get one up to this point, and that's a Pikachu. Splash! I'm first up, let's do it! That's a pretty cute horsey. You know what's coming, Secret Power. Oh. What the fuck? What? What happened? Like, what did I just do to it? Was that Body Slam? I think that's Body Slam. Which is... Because there's Slam and then there's Body Slam, which is weird. But, do I learn any move? Yes! Oh, here it is. The Beast. Look at that. 65 power. 100 accuracy. I'm keeping Secret Power. I need that. Focus Energy. Hit it. No, Horn Attack. Beautiful. Shelter. Yes. That's an Ice Water. That's an Ice Pokemon. Ice Water. Well, if not, I'm fucked. That looks pretty dappy. Let's see. Nope. Not very effective. Almost one-shots it. Alright, come on. Bollocks. And there's Icicle Spit. See. Oh. Oh. Okay. Well. That's what happens when you press Alt, I think. A crit. Did he hit 4? Oh, he hit 4 times. Oh, I stepped out of confusion. How nice. Only because I really don't, because there might be, I might have to swap out, do as much damage as, I don't know. What? You? I'm more than good enough for you. Misty won't have to be bothered. Wow, what a suck up. Like, what a grade A asshole. She's got a Goldeen. Yeah, that's right. That's a pretty cute sprite. Horn Attack. Super Sonic. Fuck. Oh. Bollocks. This really isn't good. We'll go heal up after this. I don't know, it depends on how much damage So, the second turn again! Beautiful. Oh! Come on, yes. Now just finish up with the horn attack. There we go. You overwhelmed me. Right. Now. I'm gonna... No, not on... I'm gonna put Inferno out first. Because he can easily take Star Me. No, Star You. It's just Star Me that we need to worry about. Hi! You're a new face. Only those trainers who have a Only those trainers who have a policy about Pokemon can turn pro. I see. What is your approach when you catch and train Pokemon? God, I can't fucking read today. My policy is all-out offensive with water-type Pokemon. Misty Gruesome Balls. I love the gym battle music. Come on, start. Oh my god, that's fucking adorable. Mega kick! Oh, right in the gabba. Oh! Get wrecked! One shot. Oh, right, Starmie. They're both the same level, but Torio is... I'm gonna send Torio out, because Torio is stronger, I think, at this point. I think I just... Oh no, my favourite one is... Wow, that Starmie is fast as balls. Oh no! Wait, what does it have? It doesn't have water absorb. I don't know what to do. This is what I mean. Starmie hurts. Oh no, I thought I was prepared. I'm not prepared for this gym. I thought I would be ready. I knew this is the hardest gym, in my opinion. If you pick Charmander, this is the hardest gym. Water Pulse, base 60 damage. It's... Oh! Right, Secret Power. No, not again! It's eventually gonna crit. It's gonna crit. Oh my god. Sure! There's a god. There is a god. There's a god up there. Do I have anything? I don't have... Oh, all I have is potions. And she does more damage. Literally, I have 4 potions left because I wasted 2 at the at the start. Okay. I do not know what to do here. Yeah. Right. One hit. If I swap out into Inferno, she will one-hit me. No, she won't. She'll get me down to like 20s. I am faster than her, however, but if I swap out, I'll only be able to put 1 hit in. Now, if I swap to Kawaii, which I've just done, and sacrifice... Oh, look, it's even cuter! I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Kawaii, I'm so sorry. Please, full para. Please. Please, Mega Kick. Mega Kick. Mega... No! No! Oh, this is... Oh, use recover! No! Don't do that! Please. Please, Mega Kick. Oh, yes. Oh, get fucking destroyed. It doesn't do that much damage. Oh! Ooh. I might lose the Nuzlocke here. I might actually lose the Nuzlocke. No joke. This could be the end. What have you got? Absorb and... What does Sweet Scent do? Yeah, I thought so. Reduces evasion. Well... I actually don't know what to do. Because Torio gets one shot.
Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to send Origin out. Oh my god, I thought I was ready. I thought I was ready. Ooh, that's really... And I get confused. Right. Yeah, I'm going to have to scumbag it, like I did with Brock. Swift, that's it. Bye-bye, Oddish. Yep, 2 Pokemon dead. Do 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 do. Please, you haven't been full powered once. When I get, please, just please. All I want, 1 turn of full power. Please, I'm not mad. I don't mind that. You can recover. Honestly, fine with me. Recover if you want. Just please get full. Please, either miss or get full power. Oh, it missed. All right. Alright, sweet. Well, I think we're out of the danger zone now. We're out of the danger zone. But it can just carry on recovering and recovering. Oh, God. It's always like 100%. So what, that's 4. So now it's -5. I think Water Pulse is like a 95% chance anyway. So... Oh, right. Yes, it's -6. Bep. Do. Oh, no, Swift never misses! Gust or Quick Attack? Gust. Alright, I'm gonna speed this up. On the Super Potion! Come on! Gust! Yes! We didn't lose anyone! Serious! Oh! Oh my god! Oh! Yes! Oh my god. Wow, you're too much. Oh. Alright, you can have the Cascade badge to show you beat me. You 3 beans, 2,100. You killed 2 of my Pokemon, you fuck. Oh my god. Oh my god. Water Pulse. Good move. That's a good move. Oops. I am so mad though that we just lost those 2. But that was... Honestly, at that point, there was nothing I could have done. I'm lucky that she recovered when she did. I did have a serious think, and... Who died? Oh, my bae died. And... Origin died. Buggy, you're back with us for a while. Yeah. That was very risky and very stupid on my part. Like, they didn't have to die there. That was... I'm a bad Pokemon trainer. Right. I think I can get Super Potions now. About Red County there, so much short thing makes Pokemon grow very quickly. Sweet. Yeah, Super Potions. Let's buy 10 of these. Potions. Let's buy 6 of these. Pokeballs. Let's buy another 6 of these. Yeah. Antidotes. Yeah. Poison. Let's buy 2. Awakening. Fuck it. Combat and heal. Fuck it. Now, I can teach a Pokemon Cut. Oh, well, it's a good thing I have Bugsy then, or Bugger. Do I have Cut? No, I do not. And what are my Pokemon? No, none of them can. Gyarados might be able to learn. He will be able to learn Water Pulse. Oh. Team Rocket must be trying to dig their way into no good. Ah, it's funny because that's what they stole. Those miserable rockets! Look what they've done to my house. They stole the TM that teaches Pokemon how to dig holes.
I was going to use it on a Mankey or a Sandshrew. That cost me a bundle, you know. Hey, stay out. It's not your yard. Me? Me? I'm an innocent bystander. Don't you believe me?
You're literally wearing a uniform with a huge R on it.
You ain't no innocent bystander. Shut up.
Do 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 do. All right. Let's have a look. I think Torio could use a couple levels, or a level, or whatever, or just some like screen action. That looks trippy as balls. That literally looks like it's tripping its face. Look at that. It's like, can't believe it survived like 1 HP. That was 1 HP, by the way. Do 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 do.
Okay, I'll return the TM I stole. I better get moving. Bye.
So what happens if I go back and give it to him? What's lost and lost? I teach Diglett how to... I decided to teach Diglett how to dig without a TM. Oh. Training a big dummy into no good. Huh. I see. He took that on the chin. Alright, Route 5. Let's catch a Pokemon here, shall we? No. Goodbye. Goodbye. You know what? Bag. No. Town map. No. Wait. So yeah, we can the only Pokemon we can capture here now is like a Mankey. Do 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 do. Literally, the Dupe's Claws is real. Or a Meowth. I mean, I'm gonna try. I might kill it. Yep, that killed it. Well, bye Meowth. I wasn't too bothered about having it anyway. We already have a normal type. Normal types are not overly that good anyway. What have you got to say? Do you have a Nidoran? Want to trade for my... Wait, what? No, I don't want one anyway. Fuck! Let me leave, please. Do 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 do. Ba da ba 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 ba. Hey, hey, stop! Citrus berry, most op berry in game. Ah, you can't fool me, game. Oh, well, sounds like something big's coming by my house again. Let me just try and talk over it. Next gym, I think it's just gonna be Inferno doing her job. Its job. Because yeah, electric type. So and yeah, Satorio won't be able to do like anything. I guess Horny could, but I don't know. I mean, we'll see how it is. Cause yeah, I noticed I'm pretty loud this recording. I don't know if that's good or bad, but yeah. Because I just took my headset off for a second to see how loud I was, and I'm relatively loud. I don't know if that's good or if that's bad. Just let me know. I don't know if it's dominating the recording or what. I've just moved my mic a little bit further away. See how that goes. Do 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 do.